Are you like most of us, cash-strapped and needing that tax return? Well, rushing in to get it early could actually cost you more money in the end. Joining us this morning is Glenn Lloyd from Consumer Protection with a warning. A lot of people out there probably have seen the commercials. They call it an instant refund.
Yeah.
But as we were talking about during the break, it's not a refund, it's a loan.
That's right. This message, by the way, is brought to you by the state of Wisconsin, Department of Revenue, Department of Financial Institutions, and where I work, Consumer Protection. And Janet Jenkins, who is the Administrator of Trade and Consumer Protection, warns us to be wary of these tax preparers offering instant refunds.
When they go to certain tax preparers, they'll be offered what many call like an instant refund. We can give you your money that you get from the IRS right away. You don't have to wait for them to get it back to you. And so that's very attractive. Who wouldn't want their refund right away? The problem is none of them are actually, in a sense, refunds. They're loans, and they're called refund anticipation loans. And the problem with refund anticipation loans is that they're extremely expensive. The interest rates and the fees charged.
So people in Wisconsin losing a lot of money. We have a total for this.
Yeah, well, let's look at it nationally. Nationally, 1 in 13 gets one of these loans, and that's $960 million for the loans and $100 million in fees. That's a lot of money. Here in Wisconsin, Wisconsin residents have spent $14 million. That can have an impact on a local economy.
No kidding.
Like in Milwaukee, where a lot of people get these loans. So our message is this: the state of Wisconsin wants people to know that you can get your income taxes back for free, your refunds for free, and all you have to do is to have a checking account or a savings account or something at a savings and loan that the money can be deposited in. Any place you go that's going to do your taxes are going to file electronically, and you get your money back in a week or 2 weeks.
So question for you, can you only do that direct deposit thing if you file electronically, or if you filed through the mail? I know some people like to do it the old-fashioned way. Can you still include a bank account number so that it gets deposited more quickly?
Well, yeah, you can do that. But just think, just about anywhere you go, and if you're low income, you haven't got a computer or something like that, all you have to do is dial this number, 211. It's great. Just dial 211 and you'll find a place that will do your tax for free, file it electronically for you. You won't have to pay a cent.
And it really makes a huge difference. I know my husband and I, the first year, we stopped putting it in the mail and gave the bank account number. It's practically overnight. So
yeah, it's really a good deal. So don't take out a loan to get your refund.
You pay as much as you make.
That's right.
Glenn Lloyd from Consumer Protection, great advice this morning. Thanks so much. For more information, as usual, you can log on to our web channel, NBC15.com. Back to you guys at the desk.